Follow along as I take this boring brown desk into a gorgeous Mad Hatter makeover. The original Batwing hardware needed replacing. I filled the holes with Dixie Belle mud. When it's dry, you can sand it back to flat. You won't even see where the original holes were located. Wood you bend moldings are a great way to add dimension to your piece. Two even coats of gel stain were added to this piece. When doing an ombre blend, it's important to keep separate brushes for each color. On the second coat, use your spray misting bottle filled with water and pull the colors together. Design the inset panels with stripes and color. Warm gold gilding wax was used for the stripes. Using Blue Painter's tape, I taped off sections on the inset sides of the panel. Using cotton and caviar, I created some gorgeous black and white stripes. Best stain wax in black was added to age the details. I recovered the new chair in a beautiful black and white stripe pattern.
There is a place like no place on earth. Some say to survive it, you need to be as mad as a hatter, which luckily I am.